In the middle of the path, there was not a stone, as the poet said, but a yellow ipe tree. The preservation of the century-old tree on the land partly guided the architecture of the 482-square-meter house in a gated community in warm Goiânia, Goiás, Brazil. Architect Leo Romano adapted the design to the tree, transforming it into a sort of icon. But there was another determining factor in the design, the shape of the land, measuring 25 meters in front by 100 meters deep, which led to the elongated construction. Access to the house is via a walkway that leads to the main entrance. Designed for a couple with two small daughters, the construction, which highlights wood and concrete, reveals a mix of straight and curved lines. The access ramp leads to the pivoting front door, with the same look as the block, with a curved line clad in IPE wood slats. Upon crossing the door on the left, one sees the large social area with integrated environments, which connects to the leisure area. On the other side, the circulation leads to the bedrooms, ensuring privacy for the intimate sector. Inside, cumaru wood laminate covers walls and ceiling. The cement-like porcelain tile flooring was applied throughout the house. The living room, dining room, and veranda, well ventilated and illuminated, flow freely together. Three pillars support one side of the concrete box where the social area is located, with sliding glass doors, leaving the span open. These openings allow the spaces to converse with the land, where other mature trees have been preserved. The social area has a ceiling height of 4.50 meters, while the intimate area has a height of 2.90 meters, lower to bring coziness. The path for cars to the garage is along the side of the land. It's nice to see the living room blend with the veranda, which opens to the amoeba-shaped pool with an IPE deck amidst tropical landscaping. The slab is inclined in the transition between the social and intimate environments. Special attention was given to the volume in which the circulation wall surrounds the yellow ipe and creates an office. With a fluid form, the block containing the entrance and the bedrooms, which have large round windows and IPE wood brices, is enveloped on the exterior by slats of this same wood. The idea was to have a house with an authorial language, but fully used by the family and their guests, with a Brazilian way of living.